Today's question comes from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and the reader asks the following. What can I do? I inherited a home with a mortgage when my grandmother passed. I am completely out of my area of expertise. My grandmother passed and I inherited the duplex with a mortgage attached. Balance on the mortgage is less than $20,000. What are my options, obligations, rights, assistance available for me? I want to save my legacy. I grew up in this house. So the answer here is that the mortgage is a lien on the property that continues after your grandmother's death. So you take the property subject to the mortgage. If you want to keep it, you need to keep making the mortgage payments. Now, if your grandmother left you other assets such as cash, you could use that money to pay the mortgage payments. The other thing is, I am not sure here if there was a will leaving it to you or if she left it to you via a trust or a transfer on death deed, because if there's a will, then the property may need to go through probate. The good news is this is a gift from your grandmother and it's tax-free to you, whatever the equity in that condo, I believe, or duplex, is a tax-free gift to you upon death. The other good thing is your grandmother left it to you at death, so you'll receive a stepped-up basis, meaning I recommend you get the property appraised because your basis for tax reasons is now whatever it was worth on the date of your grandmother's death instead of what she bought it for, which was likely much less. Then if you go to sell the property someday, you would have that new basis. But again, you will need to make the mortgage payments going forward if you want to keep the property. And then if and when you do pay off the mortgage, make sure you get that release from the bank to show that you now own it outright, free and clear. So if you have more questions about this, I recommend you speak with a qualified probate estate planning attorney in Milwaukee, and they can help guide you through the process of getting this property fully into your name and you taking control. Great question, and thank you for asking. And if you're a listener out there watching these videos and you have a question, feel free to submit it through my website on the blog or the contact form and just put in the subject line video blog question and state your question as briefly as you can, like these readers, and I'll try to get to it in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching.